Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizka Sari Pejul. So today I'm going to proceed for the last task, which is task 5. Task 5, install and set up a web application as a subscriber. So before I'm going to start, I will read the point. First, again, deploy a Linux-based server on a cloud provider. Second, configure the firewall to allow inbound traffic on port 22 SSH and 80 HTTP. The third one is install and set up a web application on the server. Observe lamp randomly blinking in the web application based on MQTT data. So as we can see, this is the for previous task, which is I'm using the previous web application. So this task I want to make a new web application for the GPIOS LAMP. So the first thing that we need to do is go to security group. So this is my previous security group, and I need to create the new security group, which is five. Then we copy it, we paste. Okay, so for the inbound rule, we need to choose two rules, which is SSH and HTTP. So the first one we need to choose SSH. So the port range will automatically turn into 22. And then for the CIDR blocks, we choose the first one. Next, we choose for HTTP. And then the port range will also automatically turn into 80. And then for the CIDR block, we choose the first one too. And then go to outbound rule. So for the outbound rule, we don't need to change anything, and then we can create the security group. Okay, Alhamdulillah, so the security group is successfully being created. So next we need to do the new key pairs, or okay, we just use the new key pair. Then we create the key pair to the name. 5 keys. 5 key. Then we use PPK for use with putty. Key pair type is choose RSA. Then we create. Okay, so this is our new key. Then next we go to instance. So this is my previous instance. So we go to launch instance, and then we give the name from mini project 5. Web. Then go to section and OS image. We need to choose Ubuntu. Then we go to instance type, so we use free tier. Then the key pair, we choose the choose a new one. This new 5 key, and then we select the existing group, which is what security group that we just make is now mini project 5. And then we can launch the instance. Okay, Alhamdulillah, success. So we go through the instance. Okay, so this is our new instance for web application. So this is the public IP address for our new web application later. So settle with this, we go to OT, go to program files, and then go to OT and select the app. Okay, so we go back to the instance, then we copy this, then we paste it here, then we go to the SSH, go to alt, the credential, then we choose the new key that we just do just now, Minify key. Then so we open it. So login as Ubuntu. Oh, sorry, Ubuntu. Okay, nice. So first thing that we need to do is we need to oh sorry we need to install this. Huh? Should we install this? I don't think we don't need to install this. So, we just use this as a subscriber. So we do the sudo and we just use our password. Then we change it to super user mode. Okay, password. Okay, nice. So we clear it and then we go to this and we open it. So we need to oh sorry we need to use the new one, which is what Kadase just gave me, because the old one is for the previous version, which is 3.12. So for now, we use 3.14. See, then we go here. So we don't need to use this. We just use the new one. Then you want to copy, you just right click on mouse, and then we just enter it. We just wait for it. So the internet browser is already can be used, but first we need to change. Oh, sorry. We need to change. Where is it? So we need to change the topic in the MQTT broker lah. First we go here and then we check whether it's have the the file or not. Okay, so we have. Then what we need to do is uh, to do is so we need to do is manu app.py. Okay, so this we need to change it to our app. Oops, sorry. Then we go here to click our app. This is my own app. Copy it, then we press it using right click, and then we go to the QTT broker. So this is the test mosquito ID, so we need to change it to our own broker. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we add a new one. MQTT broker. Um, so we go to our code. Oh, sorry. Uh, this is our publisher code. So we take it from here. This is my broker. Copy. Oh, sorry. This is not the one. This is not the one. So, yes, this is the one. Sorry. So we take it from here. Copy it. Then we go back to this. Then we right click. Oops. Then this. Then we save it using Ctrl X, Y, and Enter. So and we back. Then we need to try the oh no, we just need to we just install this, and then we open the new one. Okay, so we go to the our instance, which is the new web application. Okay, this. So we copy this, and then we go to this and we paste it. Then we okay. So this is our new web application, and as you can see, the lamp is still running. Okay, the lamp is still running. Okay, this is the IP address from the instance for the web application that we just do. We just make this now, and still running, as you can see. So at the webcam, this is still running. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.